Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we will talk about how to solve the quadratic equations with the quadratic formula. We have explained in the last video how to solve the quadratic equations with PQ formula and how to solve it with factorization method. Now we will talk about and we will explain how to solve it with quadratic formula. Now let's jump into the computer. The first thing we need to do is to explain what is the quadratic formula and what it's contain. We have minus b. What is minus b? B is the second number or the second variable we have here. Positive or negative, the root of b squared minus 4ac. A, it's the coefficient of the first variable, and c is the last number we have in the equation, and all of this is divided by 2 multiplied by a. Now let's take examples and some tips about this formula. The first tip and the most important one is that when the result of this part of the equation, just this part, the root part, when the result here is less than 0, that means we have no result for this equation at all. We have no result for x, and this equation cannot be solved. And if this part equals 0, that means we have just one result for x. And if it is bigger than 0, that means we have two results of x. Let's take examples. In this example we have x squared minus 4x plus 8. This is our a here is equal 1. Here is our b, the 4, and the c is our 8. The result will be here minus 4, positive or negative, the square of 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 by 8, and this one is over 2 multiplied by 1. We just put the number in this equation, and yeah. Now we need to solve it. 4 squared is 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 and by 8. That means 4 by 8, it is 32, and all of them are over 2. So 16 minus 32 is a negative number, so we have minus 16. This equation have no result. Now it cannot be solved because we have a negative root, so it is no result for this equation, so our x have no value here. Let's jump to the last example. In this example we have 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. We just now need to put this number in this row, and then we have this here is our a, 8 is our b, and the other 8 is our c. Minus b, or minus 8, positive or negative, we open our root, b squared, which is 8 squared, minus 4 by multiplied by a, which is 2, multiplied by 8, which is c, and all of them are over 2 by 2, or 2 by a, which is here 2. That means we have now minus 8, positive or negative. We open the root, 8 squared, which is 64, minus 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. 8 by 8 is 64, over 4. That means we have now minus 8, positive or negative. of the root of 0, and all of them are divided by 4. You can see it more over 4. The root of 0 is 0, so our x will have just one result, which is x equals 2 minus 8 over 4, which is minus 2, which is minus 2. This was our video for today. We have explained the quadratical formula in order to solve the quadratic equations. Very easy and very fast. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want to take a look at the PQ formula to solve this type of equations, or the factorization method to solve this type of equations, you can find it here in our channel. Thank you very much for watching our video. See you in the next video.